How to sign up for Rednote app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded Rednote app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Rednote and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will be directed to the home page. Now click on this option of login. Check in for the option I have read and agreed with the terms and condition. Then click on other login method. You're gonna get two options, phone number or your Apple ID. Select any of these options. If you choose phone number, you'll need to type in your phone number over here. Firstly, click on this country code and select your country. Then type in your phone number. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number that you have just entered. Check and type in the code. After you type in, your account will be created. Now you can head over to the Me page, then click on Edit Profile and set up all these details such as name, background photo, bio, gender, birth date, and other details. Then you can click on Preview. In case you have selected the option of Apple ID, all the details will be automatically filled as all the information would be extracted from your Apple ID. So this is how you can easily sign up for a Rednote account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.